Just for now, just for now.
Hey everyone, so today is Scent and Warmer of the Month day and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. Super excited because this has gotten a lot of rave reviews, and of course I'm always one of the last ones to get it. I just got out of the shower and the UPS man was here and I was like, yay! So let's dig right in so that we can see what Scentsy has brought our way for February 2018. Can you believe that? We're already in February of 2018. That is just ridiculous. All right, so first and foremost, it's extremely cold, so I'm not getting a big old waft of scent like I usually do. But that's okay, because we're about ready to stick our noses in it. All right, what do we got in here? I want to get rid of the box. That's why I'm getting everything out first. Take everything out first so that I can get rid of the box. There, and have room on my desk. Oh, that's so pretty. Sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, so Scent and Warmer of the Month. If you are a consultant, you have the ability to purchase the Scent and Warmer of the Month kit, subscription, whatever you want to call it, the month prior to its release. So this is coming out in February. So that means that as consultants, we have the ability to order this in January. Typically, if you're on the cycle of it, it will bill and ship out on the 15th of the month. So on the 15th of January, the February stuff gets sent out, okay? If you are a customer, then there's two things. You can, if I think that it's gonna be a really big seller, I'll potentially do pre-orders. Or on February 1st, you can go to my website and you can make the purchase for it, or just message me and I'll take care of it for you. If you do want to be on some kind of a waiting list so that maybe you're not available on February 1st and you want me to go ahead and place the order for you, then let's square away that information prior to the 1st so that I can place the order for you, and that's what I call a pre-order. Okay, so you get, with the Scent and Warmer of the Month, you can get the Scent of the Month alone without the warmer, or you can do both, Scent and Warmer of the Month. Okay, you get a room spray. And can I just tell you, purple's my favorite color. It's one of my favorite colors. So it's right up my alley because of all the decorating. Wait till you see the purple. So this is the spray. It's so hard to smell when it's cold. And it's like 22 degrees outside right now. So, and I don't want to spray it yet because I want to smell it from the bar. You also get a large and a small tester. This one's usually used for home parties. This one's used for basket parties, tote parties, whatever you want to call it. They're much more portable with their this size. So those are just the what we call testers. It allows you to smell the scent before you purchase it. You also get 72 of the rub and smell stickers. And while we're at it, I'm going to take one out because I keep one and I send the rest to Marissa. Isn't that nice of me? All right, so these go out on my Scent of the Month clubs. Oh, there's a smell of it. That is not what I thought it was going to smell like. Okay, Edie, wait. You also get 50 of the flyers that talk about the Scent and Warmer of the Month. They'll give you a description. They'll give you the pricing. And of course, those all go to Marissa as well. So I will put those on the side. And this is the flyer, which I'm not going to show you because if I do, then I'm giving it away. All right, it is called Plum and White Woods. Nice purple top. Nice purple. And a nice lilac colored wax. Okay, you ready? My 1 to 10 scale, here we go. I'm gonna rub it because it needs to warm up a little bit. Oh, wow. just enough plum with that woodsy smell. That is a very, very nice scent, and I cannot wait to warm it because I think I'm not getting 100% of what it could smell like because it's so cold. Guys, that is so nice. Boy, I'm gonna give this a 9. This is getting a 9 on my Richter scale. Richter? I almost said rectal scale. That's not it. Oh God, that's nice. Oh gosh, that's so nice. Okay, let's read the description. The description says, sweet raspberry preserves and damson plum weave through vanilla orchid. So the vanilla orchid is that woodsy scent that I'm getting. So that's where the plant scent is. But yeah, I didn't realize that was raspberry. Guys, this is really, really, really nice. And you're gonna see how well it goes. Hi, Janice. How well it goes with the warmer. And I know that sounds weird, but when you see the warmer, you'll understand. All right, so we get 9 bars in our scent of the month or scent and warmer of the month, along with the spray, the testers, the stickers, and the flyers. If you do the warmer, this is what you're gonna get. Oh my God, you guys, I love that scent. I gotta go back in. I gotta go back in. Oh gosh, that's nice. Oh, just enough sweetness. Boy, that might get a 10. That might get a 10 before the end of the video. And guys, I don't give 10s often, you know that. Legacy is about living a life that shows others their true potential. XO Heidi. I have a feeling I'm going to love this. I do. It might end up on my shelves. Just saying. Okay. Oh, wow. Super, 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 super cute. Okay. Inbox me your info, please. Got to go to work. Trevor. Inbox me your info. You gotta go to work. I'm assuming you want my website. I'll message you. Okay. I'll message you. Not sure what you want for info, but I will just give you whatever info you need. Look at this, guys. Look at it. Oh my God. Is this not super, super cute? It's a box. Just a very simple design. It has the Scentsy embossment on the back. You also see the red dot. What does that mean? That means it's an element warmer. It's an element warmer. No bulb. So, oh my God, I can see this in so many little girls' rooms. I can see this as decoration for Valentine's Day. I could see this in a beauty salon, in a spa. It's just so simple. Hi, Rebecca. Hey. It is. It's so simple. This is gold plated, gold paint, whatever. Guys, wow. Okay, it's called Once in a Lifetime. What a cute name. Find love everlasting in this lilac colored warmer, bodily embellished with the only word that counts. It is an element warmer, and it's only $31.50 in February. Wow. Wow. Yeah. $31.50 in January. So normally it will be $35. Like come March. But for February, it's $31.50. everything that I showed you today is 10% off in February. So, Kimberly, that's when you want to get it. Is that not freaking adorable? That's what it looks like on the page. That is adorable. Like, that is so super cute. Tell me that's not cute. I really like this. There are some warmers that I don't like, believe it or not. But I do like this, and because it's purple, it's probably gonna have to go up on my shelves. I love it. So, big hit. Big, big, big hit for February. I'm gonna smell that one more time. Gosh. What does this remind me of? I don't know what it reminds me of, but it's amazing. This is such a nice scent. It's not lilac or lavender. It's, oh my God, is it nice. Let me read the description again. It is a really nice scent. Sweet raspberry preserves and damson plum weave through vanilla orchid. So the vanilla orchid is the side of it that is that plant-based, right? So it's a little bit of a woodsy scent. It's a little bit of a floral scent, but it's not very florally. And that raspberry and plum. Oh my God, you guys. This is a hit. It's nice and light, really. I don't know, seems to me it could be stronger, but I mean, I don't think it's light as in doesn't smell a lot. I think it's gonna smell a lot. I love it. I love it. I love it. Love. Okay, so here is Plum and Whitewoods, and this is called Once in a Lifetime, available on February 1st. And you can pre-order it if you'd like to. Send me a message, or you can just wait until February 1st and order it for yourself at 10% off. Isn't that awesome? Yay! Yay! Here's my snapshot. That would have been your perfect time to take a snapshot. Okay. All right, guys. I hope that... Okay, you meant not overpowering. That's... Because sometimes florals can do that, right? All right. Well, thank you for joining me, you guys. And I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.
Just for now.